So here we are, just going to open this, my very first unboxing, so let's see what's inside this. Let's do it that way. There we go. Hey! Ooh. So this is what I've got. A cart. K-A-M-R. Oh, I can't even read that. But anyway, it's a Max Cheetah. Apparently it's a 1/20th scale. What does it say? There we go. Different colours. So I asked for the one in white. Let's have a look and see, shall we? Speed racing, ages 6 and up. There we go. Right. So here's the controller. No idea what those indicate. Must be. Oh, that's unusual. You can swap it round for left-handed and right-handed folks. That's quite good. I haven't seen that on any controller before. That's pretty decent. Here we go. So this will be the cable for charging the battery, and inside here is. Let's open that up so everyone can see. Hopefully, there you go. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers, I'm guessing, is for the battery case. Let's open it up and just see. Yeah, I think it takes double or AAA batteries anyway in the controller. Yep, there we go. So it's 2 AA batteries inside the controller. That, I'm pretty certain, is to charge up the battery for the car. So let's have a look at the car itself. And there you go. It's pretty cute. Don't know if there's a bloke I'm supposed to say that, but yeah, I think it looks pretty cute. This is metal. It's got metal body panels, which for something like this at toy grades, almost, I didn't expect. It's unusual. It's got a fake winch at the front, which is funny for me because when I see people with their hobby grade crawlers, TRX4s and SCX10s and all them lot, they've got actual winches on the front. So seeing this, a bit of plastic mould on the front of this, is hilarious. Battery goes in here. Let's have a look and see. Oh, that's also. Oh, there we go. Look, made in China. Let's just take this out at the same time. So 2.4 gigahertz works on 2.4 gigahertz frequency. And there's the battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. What sort of battery is this now? It is a battery is a 500 milliamp 4.8 volt nickel cadmium NiCad battery. So I'm guessing that's that. It's got a connection lead at the front. So I guess you can plug this straight into the charger then. It's got DC in there, so you can plug this into the car, and if you, I guess, buy the correct adapter, you can recharge the battery whilst it's still in the car. Don't think I'm going to be bothered doing all that. This is a USB connection, so I've got plenty of USB chargers, plug adapters, which I can plug this into and charge the battery up. Obviously this is for the steering. I'm used to stuff like that from back in the day. suspensions. That's about it. What I'm going to do is whack some batteries in and have a play about. It's a 2-wheel drive, so we shall plug it in and have a look around. Anyway, so this is it for me for now. Friction RC saying hope you've enjoyed my first unboxing. There's a little instruction manual here as well, usual stuff. I will, yeah, I should charge it up and then make a quick vid of it flying around. The only reason I got this is I thought it looks quite cool. 1/20th scale is small enough for me. I like my other ones are all huge, 1/10 and 1/8 scales. It's not often I go for a smaller one like this, but it looks pretty cool. Something I can use, and I'm guessing because it's so small, so I might be able to take it on holiday as well. I took my Slash, and that was too much. It's too big, although I had great fun with it. This is all open. I'm going to charge the batteries up and have some fun. So anyway, this is Friction RC saying, hope you've enjoyed my first unboxing. Keep an eye out for the vid to follow. Ciao for now.